Hello, barkanmu da warhaka yan uwana. The Yorubas will say, Eku dede iwoyi. I am Sadia Abubakar, aka the Executive Hausa Tutor. Have you been longing to understand or speak Hausa language, or you have this business you're trying to vent into, but language barrier is hindering you? Enroll into our online Hausa lessons with the Executive Hausa Tutor at Arewa Light House. At Arewa Light House, we teach you to speak Hausa language fluently with ease. We also help you develop your writing, reading, listening, and speaking skills, helping you to get the proficiency you have always wanted. We run private and group sessions scheduled to your preference. A lot of people have businesses, stuff they need to do on their own, but then the barrier is there. So there will be like, Malam Bature, please, there's this business I'm trying to go into. Come and help me speak Hausa to the person. Or Sister Farida, please, what's the meaning of this in Hausa language? The Hausas will say, Gutun gatarinka ya fi sari ka bani, meaning come and learn by yourself. You can do it yourself. You can come and learn and do these things yourself, so you don't need people to help you do them. So if you are a female, zo ki koya da kanki, and if you are a male, zo ka koya da kanka, so you don't need to wait for anyone. And the Hausa will still say, gemu baya hana ilimi or gemu baya hana karatu. So it's never too late to learn. It's never too late to learn. Our lessons are not meant for only non-Hausa natives. If you are Hausa native and you can speak, you can't write, and then you can't read, you can also enroll to our classes. So for more details, you can reach us through our social media profiles via the links below. Once again, I am Sadia Abubakar. Bye. Say Anjima.